Good day, dumelang, sanibonani, ahi, Linda. Before we begin, can you please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so that we can get down to mathematics. So for now, I'd like to welcome everyone. Thank you for to be corner. We're going to start with exam preparations because we are close to exams. So I'll be going through what you need to know when you walk into that exam room, what you need to understand, how to read the paper, how to understand the questions, and all the do's and don'ts inside of an exam room. We'll do grade 10, 11, and 12. Upon request, I will add grade 8 and 9. So abantu abaningi mabacela ngiza-add grade 8, ngi-add no grade 9. Sibone ukuthi siyaphi. Okay, masicaleni. Ungakhohlwa ukushaya subscribe. Sikalibala ushaya subscribe and then hit the like button so that more people can access the content. Ngabe creating information of it. Mabona ngathi kuncedile, do give to someone else. And then in case udinga ukukhuluma nami unombuzo othize, kune website lapho mawungena ku YouTube wami kune link lapha yakubonisa email address yami. Ungangena khona and ask any question that you like. Okay. So namhlanje sizocala ngephepha le grade 10. Now the most important thing abantwana besikole bathanda ukuyiziba and ibaluleke kakhulu ama-instruction. Yazi le page leli i-government or i-department ayilibhalishe ngoba sisuke ibhorekile. Isuke kupho ama-guideline ukuthi uma uphendule from kuphi to kuphi. Uyabona iphepha lase-KZN leli 2023 grade 10 paper mathematics paper 1 zothi la ngamaphepha 1 kuphela wamanje. So iyakutshela read the following instructions carefully before answering the questions. Angisakhulumela imaths kuphela, ngikhulumela wonke amaphepha. Before uqala ngokubheka lokhu, umake sure ukuthi ulandela imithetho ebhalwe la. Ungagcina ubhala into eyingekho. Now let's go through this one very quick. Number the answers correctly according to the numbering system used in this question paper. So kubaluleke kakhulu uma ubhala iphepha ubhala ama-exam i-numbering ibaluleke. Abanye abantu baluza ama-marks just ku-numbering. So uma uzothi i-question 1 ethi 1.1 bhala 1.1 ungabhali 1.1.1 or mayithi 1.1.1 ungayi-confuse. Mayithi A ubhale A, mayithi B ubhale B, and zilandelane kanjalo nge-order. Ngoba uma unga-answer i-question noma i-right asengese amanamba angekho right, uthisha is not required ukuthi ayi-mark. Number 2, clearly show all calculations, diagrams, graphs, etc. which you have used in determining your answers. I-maths le pure maths 101. I-answer ibalulekile mara ikupha 1 mark. So mawubhale 3 marks lapha yawuhlalwazi le 2 marks kumele iphume somewhere. Kumele ubonise ukuthi ufike kanjani kule answer. Bhale wonke ama-step. Lento leyo niyokubypassa yokwenza izinto ngama-half ukubridge ayisebenzi leyo. Niyekeni leyo ngxoxo ifile, right? So when you write, make sure you show all the steps. Ngizonibonisa when you go through this. Uyabona why ama-instruction abalulekile. Answers only will not necessarily be awarded full marks. So bayakutshela nakule phepha ukuthi uma ungabhali i-answer kuphela. Abanye abantu bathanda ukubhala i-script lane, uceda ukubhala i-script lane maka ephepheni ushawa isikhathi sikabhala ama-answer kuphela uthole 0. Because wonke lo msebenzi obhala i-script lane yilo osufunayo ephepheni. Kahle mina ngathi uma ubhala i-maths ungabi ne-script la ubhalela yonke le nyofonyofo yakho ephepheni. Because lawo ma-step lawo ma-mistake lawo uthisha uzowabheka makabona kunemark uzoku-allocate whether you cancel or cancel. You may use an approved scientific calculator, sebenzisa calculator ke bayakutshela unless stated otherwise. So mabangasho ukuthi la ungasebenzisa calculator ungayisebenzisi. If necessary, round off answers correct to 2 decimal places unless stated otherwise. Uyabona why kubalulekile. So mawenza ama-rounding off so yazi ukuthi okay kumele ngibe na 2 decimal. I1, I3, I0, 2, unless leyo question ifuna wayo. But if ayifuna wayo, then just make sure una 2. Diagrams are not necessarily drawn to scale. Laba yakuchazela ke ukuthi ama-diagram awadrawanga nge-ruler, ahambisana ne-ruler, adrawiwe nje. Phela sewuku-graded manje, you must be able to calculate, write neatly and legibly, right? So we are doing a question 1. We'll be focusing on question 1 only, and I will be trying to explain number 1 ukuthi question ithini. Number 2, ukuthi iphendula kanjani. Mase question 1. Question 1 should be the easiest, ama basics. So the question yokuqala ithini, given t is equals to square root of x plus 5 all over x minus 1. So that's the first statement, right? Before call i-math lena, so i-statement sonke lesi. So bathi uthi yilento leyo yonke. So la ubona lento khona ubona uthi. Bese mabaqeda bathi where x is an element between -6, -2, 1 and 4. So bathi x can be any one of these numbers ezibhalwe ngaphakathi, right? So depending on what the question will ask. Then first question here, choose the given set of numbers, a value of x for which t will be. So uyabona manje ila ke a question iba important ukuthi sifunde kimo bozo ina important or bari choose from this set a x is an element of the numbers in bracket. Bari choose from there a set of numbers. So it can be 1 or 2 numbers or 3 numbers because they said numbers. So what English important? If they only said number, then we'd know there's only one number. But for the mere fact that they said numbers, it means there might be more than one. And if there are more than one, they need to see all those numbers. For the value of x, here's the x ebakhuluma ngayo ikulothilo number labo x plus 5, x minus 1. So when we substitute lo x ngalama number, they say we must get the following, right? Number 1, rational. So what's a rational number? A rational number is any number enengqondo, right? Ngesilungu bathi it has a recurring decimal. Usho ukuthi ama decimal akhona ayaziphinda, maybe 666, 23, 23, 23. It's a fraction. So a fraction is also rational because division. It's a natural number, whole number, Lama number, right? So if you try to eliminate a number that's not rational, that means an irrational number. Inamba ehlanyayo. Inamba ehlanyayo ubuhlanyu ubona ngokuhlangahlangana, right? Umuntu ohlanyayo uhlangahlangene. So nenamba ehlanyayo ihlangahlangene. So if you are looking for an irrational number, you are looking for a number whereby the decimals don't make sense, right? You don't have 1 or 2 decimals. You have many decimals. 2, 1, 3, 0, 5. That's an irrational number, right? So a rational number is any number that doesn't have low, which means I'm a fraction are rational, I'm a whole number are rational, I'm a recurring decimal are rational, things like that. So we are looking for rationals. For a number whereby must substitute a x lab. Leyo number leyo. The answer yaga t. Uthi uba irrational number, uba fraction, uba whole number, uba recurring between lezo zi3, right? So uthi wethu masimbhale phansi ke sikhona ukuthi sifune le number, sizofuna le number. It's 1 mark, so it shouldn't take you long. Ma uthi ngibonisa ukuthi isebenza kanjani, I'm going to make sure ukuthi I jot everything down so that ubone ukuthi isebenza kanjani, right? Because ngifuna nawe uma uyenza lapha wenza into e-understandayo, ungayenzi into ezokuxaka. Then mawuceda so ufuna ukublamana nami la. So that is x plus 5 all over, I think bathe x minus 1. Angikho sure kodwa ngizayo check. Sibheke ukuthi sibhale zona. Akumuntu ubhala umsangano. Yeah. Square root of x plus 5 over x minus 1. And then lama number kumele substitute lana. Angithi uyabhala manje. bhalele script le amanamba kumele substitute it's -6 -2 1 and 4 so sithi -6 -2 1 and 4 so we are looking for a rational number. First question angithi ufuna ukuthi sithole i-rational number which is any number engahlayo. Number ehlanyayo sibona ngani ama-decimal ahlanyayo. Angisazwana. Yeah, uyasolveka lo x. So masimsolveni ke. Uthi square root of uthi -2. Hawu badla ngayenza iphutha. Hawu ngacala ngephutha. -6 akuso minus positive 6. I'm sorry. Uthi -6 plus 5 all over -6 minus 1. Ngena phansi kwe-square root yonke. So mawuthi -6 plus 5 ikupha -1 all over -7. Manje ungqongqoshe we-maths kakapa ya maths motho tlhaloganyang maths sekayabona ukuthi kunenkinga la because when you say square root of -1 i-calculator ngeke asizokuphi error message mayikuphi error kusho ukuthi le number le ayikho, it's a non-real number, the number doesn't exist mawi-substitute kulo t and inumber engekho ayikhona ukuthi ibe rational or ibe irrational. Njengomuntu ongekho akakhona ukuthi ahlanywe kangahlanywe. Umuntu ongekho sazi kanjani ukuthi umuntu uyahlanya angekho nokuba khona emhlabeni. Okay, so the first one is not real, right? So it's not real, ikupha i-error, so ayikho kule answer yokuqala. Bese senze s2 ke sithi square root sesubstitute ngo2 manje u-x la sibona u-x khona sifaka u-2 -2 uNkulunkulu wasezulwini somele ngilungise le ndaba le form. Okay, -2 plus 5 all under a square root, ungakhohlwa phezulu i-square root, minus size kulo x lo si5 futhi -2. -2 uzongena kubo bonke abo x abakhona -1 which is equals to -2 plus 5 izosipha +3 my calculator which will be square root of 3 all over -2 no -1 about -3. Ma ungafaka le number calculator izokupha bo 0 something, right? Mara inumber khona izabe ingana sense ngoba izabe ihlangahlangene. Ngitshelile ngathi mayihlangahlangene it's an irrational number. So ayihlakahlakane it's an irrational number. Thina sifunani? Thina sifuna a rational number. Kusho ukuthi le akusiyo. Siyandlula futhi. Sengiyanibonisa ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Ma ku-exam room you must be able to do it much quicker than this. This is slow because ngizama ukunibonisa. So la kuno x khona futhi sifakani u1 manje sisebenza ngo1. 1 plus 5 sibona u-x futhi sifaka u1 sithi 1 minus 1 equals to 1 plus 5 isiphangakhe square root of 6 and then 1 minus 1 isiphani 0. Ma ungayifaka calculate izokuphi error futhi. Kodwa this time makuphi error kusho ukuthi it's a non-real number le. Then 1 ikuphi error because nayo inumber engekho kodwa siyibiza i-non-real number. I-non-real number ile yokuqala u-6 le ikupha u-error mawuyifaka ngaphakathi kwe-square root. Le kuphi u-error i-denominator maku-0 sithi i-undefined. So yabona i-calculate ngakupha bo-error ma labo bo-error kusho ukuthi leyo number is non-real. Sometimes ukuthi nje asikhona ukuyidefine le number. So since singakhona ukuyidefine, since kuyi x ongasolveki ayisolveki nje le number, asazi ukuthi kahle kahle imeleni ihlaya. So since injalo nakhona ke izokupha umsangano ongekho. So u-6 masifaka calculator nesipha error, u-2 masifaka calculator nesikhiphela ihlanya, u1 masimfaka isiphi error. U-error ka-6 because ukhozwa ile root le square root lesesiphezulu siyibiza i-non-real number. Bese u-error waka-1 because uyenza ukuthi denominator u0 siyibiza i-undefined number, izinto eyithiwe engafani lezo ungazimisi. So manje sibheke yokugcina. So fast screen protectors. So we substitute ka4, right? So more khona le x here, so square root of, now we say 4 plus 5 all over more khona le x gape 4 minus 1 is equals to 4 plus 5 is 9, so we're going to square root of 9 all over 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by 3. Now when you punch this more calculating square root of 9 over 3, it will give you 1, because square root of 9 is 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now 1 is a rational number, right? So you can see 1 is a rational number, 1 is a rational number, number enganama-decimal ahlanyayo, inumber ezimele nje iyi-1. Leyo number we say is rational. So it means your answer for the first question, 1.1.1, is 1. So your answer is 1, right? Because bathe ubhala ama-value. Mabathi bafuna i-value, bafuna i-number. They are looking for number. How about a value, babatla number? If they would have said anything else except value, maybe they'd be looking for something else. Now, every time go a math paper, when you see the word value, you must know how they are looking for a number. Not what's your value, whatever. No, just a number, right? So 1.1.2, they're looking for a non-real number. We already found a non-real number, if you remember earlier on. We found a non-real number when we substituted -6. When we substituted -6, it gave us an error. Error is a guy. How can a square root of -6 plus 5 over -1? Square root of a negative number is a non-real number. The square root of a negative number is a non-real number. A textbook, you know, by Palagash, Mabaseban Kazel of the textbook. Bazabati, a square root of a negative number, A represents a number, any value, is equals to a non-real number. So since masfaku -6 u-x sithola u-1 under a square root, then it means u-6 is our non-real number. Now, what happens if, so this is negative. So what happens if I understand, right? So la ubona error khona bese wena ufaka u-6 uphinde ufake no, I think u1 ne masifaka, yeah, no 1, because u1 na is PR. You'd be wrong technically. Mina if bengutisha wakho maths, I would mark you wrong. Then ngikuphe ne mark yamahala. I would just mark you wrong, because that would mean you don't understand a non-real number. The difference between a non-real number and an undefined number. Those two things are not the same. They are both irrational, but they are not the same. So the only correct answer is -6. I hope so as well. Okay. I'm sorry for that. There was a disturbance. Let's go to the next question. So I said to you, what's very important is reading the question, right?